Achieve precision drilling with the DEWALT 14-piece drill bit set. Built for durability and designed for accuracy, this set is perfect for all your plastic, wood, and metal drilling needs. Upgrade your toolkit today. Ladies and gentlemen, whether you're a DIY enthusiast, a professional contractor, or just someone who occasionally needs to drill a hole, we've got the perfect solution for you. Introducing the DEWALT 14-piece drill bit set with 135-degree split point, model DWA1184. This versatile set is designed to make your drilling projects easier, faster, and more precise. Let me tell you why this set is a must-have addition to your toolbox. Precision at its best. Each bit in this set features a 135-degree split point tip design. What does that mean for you? It means reduced walking when you start drilling, no more wandering drill bits, just clean, accurate holes exactly where you want them. Built to last. Crafted from high-speed steel, these drill bits are built for durability. Whether you're working with plastic, wood, or metal, this set has you covered. The tapered web design offers extreme durability and helps resist breakage, even during heavy use. Protection from wear and tear. The bits are coated with a black and gold finish that doesn't just look great, it also helps prevent rust and wear. So you can count on these bits to perform reliably, even after repeated use. A secure fit. Say goodbye to spin out in the chuck. With a 3-flat shank design, these bits grip securely and stay in place, allowing you to drill with confidence. Convenience and versatility. The DEWALT 14-piece set includes a range of bit sizes to handle a variety of drilling tasks. Need to find the right size quickly? The size markings on each drill bit shank make it easy to identify the bit you need. Your ultimate drilling companion. This drill bit set is designed for use in the US but can work internationally with the proper adapter or converter. Please check compatibility with your local outlets and voltage before purchasing. With over 13,000 customer reviews and an impressive 4.8 out of 5-star rating, it's clear why the DEWALT DWA1184 is a top seller. Experience the difference with DEWALT, a brand synonymous with quality, precision, and reliability. Whether you're building, repairing, or creating, this drill bit set will be your trusted companion. Get yours today and transform your drilling projects.